Hello YouTube, and welcome to my channel for another festive episode of Drawing with Inky. This time, Inky and I are going to teach you how to draw one of the most famous holiday animals there are.
A golden retriever?
No.
A beagle?
No. We're going to learn how to draw a reindeer. If you haven't already been able to tell by the little reindeer sitting here on the table.
Oh, I thought it was a dog. Proceed.
Then let's get to it. In order to draw your reindeer, you're first going to need to draw a line here. Another small, tiny line here. A line going from here. A line that goes up. And a little nose shape here. You're going to color this in later in case you're going to color it red for the reindeer to be Rudolph. If you don't want your reindeer to have a red nose, then you can just shade it in black.
Rudolph, the most famous reindeer of all.
Then you do a line here. Some lines here for the hair. A line here. And a C shape here that goes down. And then you're going to start on the antlers. You do a little line here. Line that goes out here. And then comes up. And there's a line here, here, and here. And you can do another one of these by doing the same lines just behind it.
Did you know both female and male reindeer grow antlers?
No, I didn't.
Well, now you do.
Then you can start drawing the ear. You do a little line here, and it goes out and like that, and then goes in back again. And then you do another line like that, and it goes back down to make the head. The next thing that you want to do is draw a little line here, and then you can draw some holly on it, or bell, or whatever else you might put here.
Maybe a leash. Oh, wait. I forgot we weren't drawing a dog.
You can draw holly by drawing 3 balls and then some leaves like I did. Then you go around and do a line here and a little line that goes up and down like that with a smaller line inside. Then you can do a line going down here, a line that goes like that there, a line here, a little line here, like that, and that, and that, to make the first hoof. Then you do a line going up here, a line here, and another one of those same shapes there. Then you can do a line here and a line here, and a long line here that ends up in a line. It's another one of those shapes.
Do you know which one of Santa's reindeer has the worst manners?
No, which one?
Rudolph.
Then you can do a line going down here, another line, and a last hoof. You can draw some little designs like dots, or maybe even stripes. The next thing that you're going to do is draw the eye. You can do a circle here with a little circle inside, a tiny circle, and a last circle here. Then you shade in this part. And that is how you draw a reindeer. I'm going to color mine in time lapse. that's all for your reindeer. As you can see, I colored my reindeer's nose red, so mine is Rudolph.
I knew I'd seen that nose before.
And if you have any suggestions, please email me at drawingwithinky@gmail.com. Thank you.
Happy holidays.